Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your MyApartmentMap subscription. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the MyApartmentMap website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the account settings option. In the account management section, look for a subscription or billing tab. Select the subscription tab to view your current plan details. You will find an option to cancel your subscription. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation. Review any cancellation terms that are presented. Confirm that you wish to proceed with the cancellation. Once you confirm, your subscription will be scheduled for cancellation. You should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation. If you do not receive an email, check your spam folder. For any issues, consider reaching out to MyApartmentMap customer support. They can provide further assistance if needed. After cancellation, ensure you double-check your account for confirmation status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.